Simpro Multi-Tip is a smart solution for all your light industrial and commercial bin tipping needs, and it's easy to use. Simply wheel the bin onto the cradle, then press and hold the raise and safety buttons. Multi-Tip lifts the bin vertically to the height of the skip or hopper, then gently rolls it forward while retaining the weight safely within its footprint. Allow the bin to empty, then press and hold the lower and safety buttons, and the bin returns to ground level. It's that easy. The bins are securely retained with no need to manually clamp or strap them into place. The unique single mast design gives the operator a clear view of the bin and surrounding area. Both hands are required to raise or lower the cradle for optimum safety. The key switch prevents unauthorized use, and a voltmeter shows the battery status. The heavy-duty casters, two of which are braked, allow for easy movement, and the passivated powder-coated frame offers a high level of corrosion protection suitable for use outdoors. With IP54 ingress protection and few moving parts, Multi-Tip needs little maintenance and is backed by a 2-year warranty. 3 Multi-Tip models are available, with tipping heights of 1.2, 1.6 and 1.8 metres. The standard models are powered by a 24-volt maintenance-free battery with an onboard one-phase charger. A solar panel can be specified for off-grid operation, or a 3-phase mains power pack for heavy-duty requirements. The interchangeable cradle system covers all common bin types weighing up to 150 kilograms. The standard Type E cradle is suitable for EN 840 wheelie bins from 60 to 240 litres and brute bins from 10 to 55 gallons. The optional Type C cradle is suitable for wheelie bins up to 360 litres, while the Type A cradle is suitable for ANSI rollout carts from 24 to 96 gallons. Built to meet international standards for quality and safety, Multi-Tip is another intuitive design from Simpro, the smart lifting pioneer. Choose Simpro for real innovation, backed by 40 years of design experience, quality components, advanced manufacturing techniques, and a robust parts and service network. Contact your Simpro agent today.